Hi guys, in this video I am going to share about woman empowerment. Woman empowerment is empowering the woman to take their own decisions for their personal development as well as social development. Empowerment of women would mean encouraging women to be self-reliant, independent, have positive self-esteem, generate confidence to face any difficult situation, and incite active participation in various socio-political development endeavors. In the ancient times, women were treated very badly by family and society. They were not given education and were only restricted to doing household tasks. They were kept completely oblivious of their rights and development. Women make up half of the country, so in order to make the country an entirely powerful country, women empowerment is very necessary. There are various ways in how one can empower women. The individuals and government must both come together to make it happen. Education for girls must be made compulsory so that women can become literate to make a life for themselves. Women must be given equal opportunities in every field, irrespective of gender. Moreover, they must also be given equal pay. We can also empower women by eliminating child marriages in India, which is commonly conducted in village areas. Various programs must be conducted where they can be given the ability to defend themselves in case they face financial crisis. Most importantly, the shame of divorce and abuse must be thrown out of the window. Remember, friends, the shame of divorce and abuse must be thrown out of the window. Many women stay in abusive relationship because of the fear of society. Parents must teach their daughters it is okay to come home divorced rather than in a coffin. Woman empowerment in the truest sense will be achieved only when there is attitudinal change in the society with regard to women talk, treating them with proper respect, dignity, fairness, and equality. So, friends, this is about women empowerment. If you really like way I'm explaining, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.